Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different amazing and unique pebble home decorate ideas, different pebble art frame, pebble art for kids, for animal and etc. It is very beautiful and unique pebble home decoration ideas, and it is very special ideas for family, and I hope you like it. You guys know we can share different pebble decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and unique, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the like button, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. So you guys know we can share different amazing pebble home decor ideas, and it's very amazing and unique. And do not forget my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, shake your bye, see you soon.